Hello classmate. In this class, we will complete the replacement and installation of the power battery. We will learn from the pre-installation inspection, installation precautions, and installation sequence, and safety inspection after installation. The tools and equipment we will use include a lift, battery lifting platform spiral tools, torque wrench, slip joint plier, flashlight, maintenance manual, diagnostic instrument, insulation meter, personal protective equipment. The first step is the pre-installation inspection. First, check the surface of the newly replaced power battery for dirt deformation or other damage. Second, check and clean the power battery assembly. Third, check the label information of the power battery assembly. Fourth measure the insulation resistance of the battery. The second step, installation sequence and precautions. First, install the positioning pin. Second, lift the power battery lifting platform to make the power battery fit the chassis part of the car. Third, install 3 rear fixing bolts of the battery. Assembly. Install 2 front fixed bolts of the battery assembly. Install 7 bolts on each side of the battery assembly. Fourth, refer to the maintenance manual. Use a torque wrench with a preload of 78 nanometers and tighten the fixing bolts around the battery assembly. Fifth, lower and remove the lifting platform. Six, connect the power battery. 2 low-voltage wire harness connectors of the front compartment wire harness. Check and confirm the fastening. Follow the connection principle of connection first, sounding second, and then confirmation. 7. Connect the 2 high-voltage wire harness connectors of the battery. 8th, install the ground wire fixing bolt of the power battery. Ninth, install and connect the power battery's outlet and inlet pipes and confirm the connection is firm. Tenth, install the front anti-collision beam. Eleventh, lower the vehicle. 12. Connect the DC bus bar to the charger's high voltage plug. 13th, connect the negative cable of the battery. The third check after installing the power battery. First, take out the key and turn on the ignition switch. Check if the ready indicator is lit. Second, use a car fault diagnostic instrument to read the fault code. Clear the fault code to confirm whether the system is normal. Third, add coolant. Fourth, lift the vehicle. Five, check if there are any leaks in the cooling pipes. Six, lower the vehicle. 7th, collect tools and clean the site. In this class, we learned the installation of Geely EV300 battery. During the installation process, we should first pay attention to personal safety and standard operation to ensure the battery's stable lifting. When lifting the power battery assembly, when it is attached to the chassis of the car, if it is too tight or too loose, will be detrimental to installing the bolts. When connecting the wiring harness and pipes, remember to connect, sound and confirm. That's all for this lesson. Goodbye.